How's it going? It's Jack. I thought today's video would be a little bit different. I wanted to kind of show you how I get ready in the morning. I also didn't have any other ideas. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. So to get my day started, usually I'm fucking sleeping. You can see that I'm obviously sleeping here. I definitely didn't just set up the camera and then go back and lay down. And then I usually hop on Instagram Reels for like an hour or two just to get my day started, really wake me up. Gotta show some love to the puppy. She's just way too cute to walk by her and not say hello. And then I gotta pick out my clothes for the day, make sure that I'm in pristine condition to look fucking fantastic. You can see I picked the pants in the bottom drawer because I felt different today. And I always have to start off my day taking a nice shower, just to wake up, feel good. You can see me walking into the bathroom here, that I also totally didn't just set up my camera just to walk into the bathroom. Okay, now this is me bare-ass naked hopping into the shower. Thank God I angled the camera up or you guys were gonna get a full fucking moon to the face. And then I get fully dressed inside the bathroom. Some people don't do it, which I think is kind of weird. I wobble my way down the stairs to figure out what I'm fucking doing next. I'm gonna be honest, usually I don't eat in the morning because I'm not fucking hungry, but today I woke up and I was like, shit, I need something to eat. So I think you can see how much of a fat ass I am. I'm grabbing the best cereal ever created, Reese's Puffs. Fuck you if you think any differently. And since I'm a fucking iPad kid and I've been like this my whole life, I always have to set up my phone on a candle on the dining room table and eat my Reese's Puffs. I mean, just look at this fucking dumbass. Look at me fucking eat. What a fucking idiot. How's it going? I forgot to record the last clip, so I'm just gonna kind of like pretend what I just did. And don't worry, I'm trying to get my acne to go away, so I'm using this stuff right here that I got like prescribed to me. I'm only covering the label, I'm not trying to gatekeep it, but it's just because it has my address on it. And then of course, I gotta pick my watch for the day. I love watches. This one's probably one of my favorites. It's the Belova, yada yada, whatever the fuck. And I just thought I'd throw it on for the day. I mean, yeah, look at me throw this shit on. Ooh, fucking stylish. Look at that shit. Hell yeah. To be honest, I don't really know what this is, but it looks like a cigar. It's cologne, and fuck, it smells good. I wear this thing like every day. I think I got it off like the TikTok shop or something. So if you can find it, leave a comment. Tell me what this shit is, because I want more Fiji Old Spice. Damn, look at that guy smelling good. Oh, thank you. What the fuck? That's pretty much all I do. It's pretty simple. I just really had no other ideas to film for the day, so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. I'll probably have another video coming out in 2 days, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.